Good morning. Today I'm at Rainforest Park again. Today I'm with Sally, my neighbor. Today I'm going to update you all what is the progress in this Rainforest Park. Today my drone will be my assistant to take the video and to follow me all the way to the toilet and to the camp one side later. Sorry to start all again.
Again, what?
Didn't record just now.
Bad! I cannot employ you really.
You take video is like that one you know? So the toilet how?
The toilet, like I mentioned, the toilet is still, it is okay for a camping site.
But first thing, the toilet is not fully complete yet. Okay, the OKU toilet door is still not yet installed. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Well, the basing all is in front. I think there's a 2, 4, 6 basing. And okay, as you say, it's supposed to have some basing inside the female toilet and also the male toilet lah. Right?
Yes, I mean the facility, there will be better facilities actually to have the basin inside the toilet itself. You have the shower, you have the basin, and then you have the toilet. So I think it is complete, and that I think is a selling point for whoever runs this place.
Yeah.
You have the natural forest around us. So I mean, I will come here again.
You will come here again?
Yes, it's beautiful.
It's beautiful, right?
Yes, the morning. I mean, the mornings. I think I saw your what do you call?
My drone view.
Your view on the mist and all those things. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I will come again.
Okay. Today, this second campsite is about 40% occupied only, right? Because the center park here is still empty, still available. Probably today we will have more this car camp or people coming for camping. So the different from previous trip I come here is there's already a toilet available. Previous 2 trips I came here to camp is without a toilet. Okay, so now we go to the first camp. Okay, this road here is go to the temple. Okay, and this one we are going to the first campsite. Okay, we coming to the first campsite already. Okay.
More cars, more vehicles here.
Yeah, it's more. Wow, a lot of fancy tents here also. Here also got another type of tent. Almost similar from our second campsite one.
But a smaller area. Smaller area.
So this is the first campsite, which previous 2 trips I was camping here. So now the chalet still in progress. Further down there still got other tents. Wow, even more fancy. Yeah, I forgot to introduce Sally. Is my few houses neighbor. So she is a new beginner to come for camping experience, and I think she addicted already. So now we go to see the toilet compared to the second camp one. You think which one is better?
Okay, where is the toilet there?
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh, not many, no?
Now you know, second campsite is bigger.
Yeah.
There's only 2 male, 2 female toilet. Am I right?
Yes. Okay.
Is it better than the second campsite?
Not really, because the basin is not in the toilet.
So only 3 basin here lah.
Yes, but it's better because they have the bowl now.
That side no bowl.
That side no bowl.
Maybe they haven't installed the bowl.
Possibly.
Yes,
but
okay, here the chalet is still in progress. Road here is still wet and muddy because yesterday whole day night was raining. I apologize, I made few mistakes during taking the video. Somehow was no voice, so I hope you all can forgive me. Alright, I hope you all like today's content. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also later I will show you how's the drone area view in this early morning mist. So see you all next time and goodbye.
Fly away to the sky, shining bright like a sunshine, dreaming high like the stars, dancing through with the clouds. And everything is such a meaning, every cloud has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, don't waste your time, keep fighting. Even if you drift and fall, look down up and still stand tall. Believe yourself and keep on running. Don't look back, stay dreaming. Fly away to the sky, shining bright like a sunshine, dreaming high like the stars, dancing through with the clouds. And everything is such a meaning.